take you onto a journey to tour the Standard Hotel Mahanakhon. It is located in one of the most iconic buildings in the city with 155 rooms. When entering the reception, we will see the decoration of the hotel that is very stunning. The reception is located on the 4th floor, where guests come to check in, check out, sit and relax or wait here. There are so many photo spots in this building. The hotel is styled with a mid-century modern look. The designer who styled this place is Jamie Hale and is also one of the designers of the brand Fritz Hansen, a Dutch brand that became famous in the 1950s, which is the mid-century modern era. Next to the reception area, we will walk across to another room next to it, the parlor. The concept of this room is unique. The word the parlor, when directly translated, means a living room. However, this room has more than one function. That is, it is a restaurant, cafe, and co-working space for you to work here. I had the pleasure to dine in this stunning restaurant. The food was amazing. I ordered crab fried rice for myself. They even had continental dishes like club sandwich. We enjoyed our time during lunch, and you can tell I was all smiles with my food. For me, every corner is an opportunity to take pictures. On the other side of the room, there is a tea room called Teas. This room is decorated in black and white stripes. If anyone wants to have afternoon tea, it will be in this room. Come along with me to the pool area. The pool area is only available to hotel guests. Tucked away in a lush and serene poolscape overlooking the city. There's light dishes, craft cocktails, small bites for sharing, juices and smoothies. You're able to order nibbles and drinks while taking a dip in the pool. Look at this view! It is so relaxing and breathtaking. The gym is located on the 6th floor. This floor is for hotel guests and members only. As soon as we walk in, we will see different types of equipment. We can work out anytime at the Standard Hotel Gym as it opens for 24 hours. For a gym in a hotel, it is well-equipped gym. They even have Peloton bikes. The gym was fairly quiet and there were only 3 guests in the gym, which makes it pretty good space to work out if you don't like crowded spaces, like I do. There are many types of equipment to try out. The studio is used for yoga space. There are mountain climbing stimulators in the studio. There's also a rowing machine and some weights. The interior of this hallway is different on every floor. This reminds me of the 70s era. The hallways for this hotel are decorated in red. The rounded mirror gives it a vintage vibe. It is great for pictures. Now let me show you my room. Welcome to my room. This is the Standard King room with an area of approximately 40 square meters. Nice decoration and cutlery. Let me give you a tour of the pantry. Except for water, tea and coffee are complimentary. This is a safe, a kettle, loads of snacks to choose from. as well as a handful of different types of drinks. Look at this stunning view! I love the colors of this room. There are different shades of oranges. The curtains and shadings in this room are monitorized with all electrical system. Let me show you the bathroom. As you walk in, you'll be able to see the bathroom vanity. Towels, bath towels, and face towels are all provided. The hotel provides their own vanity kits as well in case we didn't bring them. They've got shaving kit, shower cap, dental kit, and the hair dryer with their very own dust bag. Let me give you guys a tour of the bathroom. The bathroom is so spacious. I swear every corner of this hotel is an opportunity to take cute pictures. I had to sneak in some outfit videos as I was filming. Couldn't miss this opportunity to vlog these memories. The bathroom had long windows and we could see the scenery of Bangkok from the bathroom. Also had to ask my boyfriend to snap some photos of me. This is a cafe-like area where hotel guests are able to come here to have their morning breakfast. There are two areas for you to choose from, indoors and outdoor seating area. Look at the buffet menu. We ordered tons of drinks. We each had 3 dishes amongst ourselves plus a pastry basket to share. I enjoyed my time at breakfast and got to try nearly all the items on the menu whilst we were there. The portions are pretty small compared to the UK, so we managed to finish everything we ordered. This is me thinking of ordering some more dishes. This is the meeting room area. There are 3 meeting rooms in the hotel. Had to check out this floor as it was so quiet and no one was using their meeting rooms. This floor is mainly decorated in darker tones. Look at these sofas. They are so cute, wish I could bring them home. The seating and style for each room are unique on its own. Did a cheeky shot. I thought we were taking pictures. Going to the lobby. Here's the gift shop for the Standard Hotel. They sold clothing to fashion accessories to home decorations too. Going to the skybar. This is the elevator to the skybar. It was so interactive. We had to take 2 different elevators in order to get there. I felt like I was in the nightclub but on the rooftop. There was a DJ playing songs too. It was a pretty romantic experience. We got to see the view of Bangkok at night.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.